Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Windows has a prior copy. Open Settings, search File History, and make sure it was enabled. If not, stop, there's no rollback. Once enabled, navigate to the folder containing the replaced file and note the exact file name and path. Make sure to close any app using that file so Windows does not store new changes. You do this to preserve earlier versions. Without a saved snapshot, the only way to recover is lost, so act now. Once you have the folder and file history confirmed, right-click the replaced file or its parent folder and choose Properties, then the Previous Versions tab. If a snapshot exists, select the version dated before the replace and click Restore. If you prefer a more visual interface, open Control Panel, right arrow File History, right arrow Restore Personal Files, browse Backups, and preview before restoring. Make sure to restore to a different location first if you want to compare versions. This prevents accidental overwrites while you verify content. Finish by restoring the selected version to an alternate folder, then open and verify the file matches what you need. Once confirmed, replace the current file. If previous versions is empty, check other backups like OneDrive or external drives. Otherwise, consider data recovery tools, but know they may not recover prior file contents reliably. If recovery fails, enable File History and System Restore Now to avoid future loss. Remember, once overwritten with no snapshot, there is typically no true undo. Preventive backups are essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.